you recognize, where did the witnessing, the sense of witnessing that is there right now, where did it collapse? In Samadhi. Yes, and you realize from that only the witnessing came up. So, who knows that the witness collapsed? Who knows that the witness re-emerged? Oh, that is me. But that is not conscious. It does not know itself. It does not perceive itself. On account of the witness consciousness arising and collapsing, it recognizes, oh, who knows? That means I am the knower of the witness consciousness. So I am beyond. But I cannot see myself, taste myself, touch myself, hear myself, perceive myself in any other way without the witness consciousness arising in me. Oh, I am not consciousness. This is the only consciousness. The witness consciousness is the Chid aspect. I am the Ananda aspect. Ananda is simply zeroness, equanimity, straight line. There's no plus or minus there. That is why there is no recognition of who I am. The moment you recognize this, ignorance is the root cause of this wheel of action. Ignorance is the root cause. And the only way I can eliminate the ignorance is by recognizing the witness consciousness that arises in me and using that witness consciousness as a tool to see myself. I don't see myself through these eyes. I'm speaking poetically. I know myself. I sense myself because of the witness consciousness that arises in me and collapses in me in Samadhi. Or in Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. If it happens in one, it automatically seeps into the other. If it is not seeping into the other, it means that it did not really happen properly here. You just fabricated it because you've heard it so many times in knowledge. The mind can create ideas. So become more serious about samadhis at home. Become more serious about your Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana at home. The moment I recognize the witness consciousness appear and disappear, there is a recognition of the one to whom it appeared and disappeared. Who is knowing that? That is the elimination of ignorance. Now, this elimination of ignorance is possible only through knowledge. This is what Rama is telling Lakshmana.